Hi guys, this is Hans again and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about my third credit card, which is the Union Bank Rewards Visa Platinum credit card. This guy over here. And in a bit, we're going to talk about how I got this card, what's the welcome promotion, and most importantly, if there's an annual membership fee. So stay tuned. Alright, so story time tayo guys. So, yung credit card na to talaga is something that I applied by accident. Parang naging aksidente. So, it's a habit of mine to check my Union Bank or any mobile application like all the time. Kahit wala akong makitang maganda doon or whatsoever, check ko siya all the time. I guess safety as well para monitor mo talaga yung transaction mo and kung ano nangyayari sa mga finances mo, which is a good thing. For me, it's a good thing because I'm very careful and cautious when it comes to financial stuff. And then, one time, siguro mga 9 a.m. ata yun ng umaga, I checked my Union Bank app, mobile app, and then may nag-pop up. And the pop-up, I can barely remember the exact thing, pero the only thing that I can remember was it was a pre-order for an iPhone 16. And so, I'm not an iPhone user anyway, pero wala. Siguro, out of boredom, I guess, I clicked it and click lang ako ng click until sa last part, which was may dalawang button. Kumbaga, yung isang button is to continue and the other button is that it says, I don't have a card yet. Although may credit card na ako sa Union Bank, kinlik ko yun. And then afterwards, may information na nag-appear, nagsasabi na I will update you in 3 banking days. So after that, nag-apply na ako ng Union Bank before, after I got approved for my first Union Bank credit card. Na-decline ako. So I thought, tulog ko na lang. So natulog na ako. And then nagising ako mga gabi na, mga around 6 p.m. And then again, usual routine ko guys is to check my email, check if there's any text messages either sa Viber or sa Messenger. So ganun normal na routine ko kumbaga. So I checked my email as well. So when I checked my email, I got 2 emails from Union Bank. The first one is advising me that they received my application and I have to wait 3 banking. And then yung second email was surprisingly an email that I was approved for a Union Bank Visa Platinum credit card. Sabi ko, talaga? I mean, na-decline na ako simula nagkaroon ako ng isa. So I thought, siguro yung mga bangko or may mga banks na parang may policy siguro sila na hindi nag-approve ng another card. So, kaya na-decline yung application before. But surprisingly, na-approve ako this time. So, in that email, it has the card reference number. And in a way, it's advising me to, if I don't have the app yet, I have to open the app, or I have to download an app and check then my credit card details. So I thought, sige, open ko yung app. So I opened the Union Bank mobile app. And surprisingly again, may information na ng credit card doon. So ang information na nandun was for the physical card, which you shouldn't activate yet, and then yung virtual card. So when I got a chance to to activate the virtual card kasi yun yung information na readily available. So I did activate it. Again guys, I'm just human. So natutukso pa tayo. So I thought, baka magbago yung isip ni Union Bank at kunin nila yung card or biglang tanggalin. So I immediately used the card that night. Bumili ako ng, nagpa-deliver ako ng through Food Panda. So nagkaroon na ng charge. And then 2 days after, I got the actual card, the physical card. And the whole process from, it was October 9, which was a Wednesday. And then I got the card morning of the Friday, 9, so 10 at the 11th. Lahat ng nangyari guys was really, for me, I find it mababaw man yung naramdaman ko. Pero I find it was awesome and it was surreal in a way na 3 days lang nagkaroon ako ng credit card. Siguro nakita niyo Union Bank on how I manage my credit card, my first card with them. Kasi talagang malinis siya. I always make it a point na I pay in full. I use the card all the time. In fact, yung first card ko with Union Bank, I used that card to pay for some stuff. So I used my the Miles Plus Signature Visa to pay for my AC, for some appliances that I bought, as well as the cabinet that you see at the back, that couch over there, that electric fan that you see behind me. I would say majority of the stuff that you can see in my flat, gamit ko yung Miles Plus. And hindi talaga magsisisi sa Union Bank to approve me for a credit card because I make it to a point na maganda yung paggamit ko sa credit card. And I hope you guys will also do the same with your credit cards. And then, yung card na to guys talaga is not the card that I really want. Gusto ko pa ng, of course, another credit card with Union Bank. Pero I was eyeing for their cashback. So, after ko na-approve ng Miles Plus last June, siguro a week after, ganun na ako kapasok minsan. A week after, nag-apply ako ng cashback. And with the thought na, baka naman siguro i-approve ako kasi may gold card na naman ako with BPI. So baka pwede pang isa pa yung cashback. Kasi yung gusto ko na cashback, kahit kay BPI, nag-apply ako ng Amore cashback. Hindi ako ina-approve for the reason na it's gonna be a downgrade daw, sabi ng agent na nakausap ko one time. Kasi gold card, and then if you apply for an Amore, it's sort of like a downgrade. So I should apply for a higher tier of credit card. Could either be a platinum rewards or their Visa signature credit card. So yun, going back, nag-apply ako, na-decline ako sa cashback. And guys, I still want the cashback. Kasi think about it this way. So with my Union Bank Miles Plus Signature Visa, what I'm earning is mileage. For this Visa Platinum, I'm earning points. Baka hindi naman siguro kalabisan na maghangad ng cashback. So, hopefully, siguro I'll try it again after 4 months, just like how I did it with my Miles Plus. Kasi nag-apply ako Miles Plus June 9. Nakapag-apply ako ng Visa Platinum October 9. So if you do the math, that's roughly 4 months. So maybe yung grace period nila for you to reapply for another credit card is 3 months siguro. So I'll give it a try, and of course I'll update you guys if I get approved for the Visa cashback, Platinum Visa cashback that Union Bank is offering. So tagal-tagal pa. Ayun. Parang kompleto na siya. So, may miles, may points, may cashback. So, yun guys. Welcome bonus as well as annual fee waiver. Ideally, meron siya guys. Meron siya if it's your first card. In my case, medyo na technical ako when it comes to the terms nila. So, I'm not eligible for the welcome bonus as well as the waiver because yung Miles Plus ko, na-meet ko yung spend requirement nila as well as for the waiver ng annual fee since I use the card all the time. And based sa terms na nabasa ko, hindi ako makakatanggap ng another welcome bonus kasi may natanggap na ako sa other card kasi same bank lang naman siya. So yun lang yung unfortunate in my case. But again, I don't mind. Hopefully, UnionBank will become more understandable, and if they see naman how I manage my credit cards with them, maybe come next year once it's due to pay for the annual membership fee, that they will consider waiving it once I request for it. So let's see. And I'm also going to create a video about that, how to request a fee waiver, an annual fee waiver, by calling their customer service. So yun guys. So guys, yun lang yung story ko for this card. Maybe I'll just do a separate video providing more details about this card. I'm gonna talk about the specifics, what are the benefits, what's the welcome bonus, as well as how to meet the annual fee waiver. I believe kasi pag na-meet mo yung spend requirement within 60 days, parang waive siya for life. So guys, platinum card to guys, hindi to basa-basa card. So let's see. Just watch out for my next video about this card. So stay tuned and just don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So guys, that's it for this card. So if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like and share, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. I also need your support so that I can continue to create this type of content and grow my channel so that mahaba pa ang pagsasamaan natin guys. So again, thank you so much for today and see you on my next video. Bye for now.